This is Tecno Pova Neo 2, and today I'll show how you can fix the slow Android system issues on this smartphone. You can begin by launching the Phone Master, which is the built-in Tecno proprietary tool that comes with your system, so you will not have to, or you will not need to install any third-party apps for that. Here, let's begin by tapping at the Boost Now button. In order to optimize your memory or random access memory, to be precise. Then you can also go into the junk file section and, well, clean up storage. So you can do that as well. Then you might want to go into the phone boost section. This one is the same as Boost Now button, so we can skip it for now. You can also continue cleaning your storage by uninstalling the apps you haven't used for a while, for example, or go into the Ultra Boost section here, which will boost your system even further and make sure that your phone is in the utmost optimal state that it can be in. And then the final advice that I have, which will help you to improve your processing and performance on this phone, is called the MemFusion feature. So go into the system category of settings, or actually that's not system, go into the My Phone instead, then tap at your RAM, switch on the MemFusion, select how many additional gigabytes of RAM you would like to get. It is safe to just switch to 5 gigabytes, and then restart your phone in order for those changes to be applied properly, and here you have it. That'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.